Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I got these long sculpted coffin white nails and they are popping, honey, let me tell you. So if you'd like to see how I got that look, stay tuned. I'm using some alcohol to clean and disinfect the nails, and next I will be pushing back the cuticles. I'm continuing to clean the cuticle with this drill bit I got from Amazon. Here I am trimming the cuticle, well, at least one part of the cuticle. This is the perineum and this is the dead colorless skin. You do not want to cut the epinecium, which is the colored live skin on her nails. So we're just going in and cleaning that up so it's not in the way of our application. Now I'm taking my sanding bit and I'm etching out her nail bed just until the shine is gone from her nail. I'm taking one of my favorite Russian drill bits and I am buffing all the way at her cuticle just for any possible trim marks that were there or any possible hangnails that might still be around. Both my bonder and primer are from Nailed by John. And with the primer, I like to make sure not to touch the skin. And I'll put on 2 coats of both. I'm applying my first bead of acrylic here, and I like to just let that run down, especially since these are long nails. I wanted the consistency to be a little wet, but not too wet. But yeah, definitely not dry. And I'm just gonna let that run down, and I'm just building that up, cleaning up the sides, and I'm making sure that the acrylic is adhered to the free edge, from the free edge to the nail form, to ensure that it's adhered. Here I'm applying my second bead to the cuticle area to ensure that I get that all covered, as well as the sides. And my third bead I'm taking is to ensure that the apex is thick enough, as well as me making sure that the edges, well, the sides are covered. I'm adding a fourth bead, a small fourth bead, just to ensure the apex is to my liking. Here I'm using my carbide bit to clean up the edges, to get a rough outline of the nail shape, so that way I'm not using my hand files too much as far as the shape. But I will be going back in and buffing and smoothing it out with my hand files. One of my favorite parts, I'm going in now and I am cutting the length. I guess that's what it's called, but it's just so satisfying. I just love straight lines, and I go under the nail and make sure that the C curve is even. I'm going in with my curved hand file to shape her sculpted nail better to her actual nail bed width, so it's not too thick. Now I'm taking my angled file here just to make sure the sides are as straight as I want them to, and we're gonna go in and buff after. And after I do the finishing touches, I buff it out, put some oil on there, and I had to wash your hands. And now I'm just taking some of that same alcohol and I'm just removing any possible leftover oil, debris, anything of that nature. And my favorite top coat from Nail by John, Candy Paint. I put 2 coats on and I just love it's so shiny and it actually helps with nail breakage. Now I'm going in with some gel from Nail by John. It says herpes gel, actually. Crazy name, I know, but it ensures that the crystals never go away. And I applied a light to light medium layer of that to ensure that the crystals are embedded. Now I'm just patting down the crystals to ensure that they are surrounded by the gel so that they do not go anywhere, and just shaping it to the coffin shape. And now I'm putting the finishing touches on here with the oil, slight hand massage, little cuticle action, knuckle action, you know what I'm saying? Boo, get into this. Look at that cuticle action. Look at that shape. I mean, if I wasn't so clumsy, I would wear these myself, but I ain't. Anyways, catch you guys next time. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.